I will search how to buy shares of Americas Gold and Silver Corp to show the process step by step. Americas Gold and Silver Corp is a precious metals mining company listed on Nasdaq under the ticker USAS, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker USAS to locate the listing. Select the result that corresponds to Americas Gold and Silver Corp to open its asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Confirm that the page shows Americas Gold and Silver Corp and the Nasdaq ticker USAS before moving on. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a pending instruction depending on platform rules, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.